Hello crafters, welcome to Comelyhands TV channel. Today we are going to fold this sweet box. It's a heart-shaped sweet box and we'll be needing 2 circles for it. And you can use any size of circle for it. And you're also going to need a ruler, a punch, a pencil, a scissors, and glue. Also, you need a ribbon to tie the mouth. So let's start. Let us use this color of cardboard. And we'll use this to cut the 2 circles out from it. So I put it on top, trace the circle out with my pencil. We need 2 circles. So I'll go to the other end and trace the circle out again. When you are done tracing out the circles, we cut the circle out. That's 1 circle done. Cut out the other circle. Done. These are the 2 circles. Then you fold the circle into 2 halves. Can use the ruler to do this. You fold the other circle into another half. Then to get the heart-shaped sweet box, you insert the folded circle into the other folded circle. Here you have it. So I put my glue. I put my glue carefully. I go to the other side, put my glue. Allow it to dry. So it's dry now. You see that I have a hole. Then I take the punch and move it in like this. Punch it out. Then I take my ribbon. I insert my ribbon. But before I insert my ribbon, I would like you to see how it looks when we pack the chocolate or sweet inside it. So here I have some chocolate here. should be able to take 4. So here we are. We start with the ribbon. Insert the ribbon and tie. And there you are. You can give it at children's parties, weddings, and so on.